Hi guys, shows you I bought this in a charity shop a while back. A 4-digit clock. A nanny won't let me put it in the bedroom because it's too bright at night. It's got 3 levels of brightness, but even on the lowest level of brightness, she says it's too bright for the bedroom. So I've seen online people take them apart and put a layer in front of the windows there to try and darken them. So I thought I'd give that a go. I might try using this. It's a blue coloured plastic bottle. I reckon I can get the 4 windows out of the plastic if I cut it carefully. So that's plan A. Big Clive did a teardown on these. Undo the screws. And then there's another screw hidden under here. So let's see if we can actually get under there first. Well, I'm not seeing a screw hole. No, I'm not seeing a screw hole there. Unless it's underneath there. Oh, that's annoying. We'll pop that back on for now. We'll undo the screws at the back and see what happens. It feels like it's glued. Screwed and glued. Little clips. You see that? Yeah. That doesn't want to come apart, and yet we couldn't see any screws in there. Just take that off again. Away somewhere. I reckon there might be a screw in there. And there. Ah, right, we've got another layer to come off yet. Yeah, that's the colour layer. I expect you can get different colours. Yeah, screw in there. And a screw there. I need a thinner screwdriver. I might have one just there. Yeah, that'll do it. There we are. So on the back, it's the button cell for retaining the memory and the buzzer, and the power socket just there. Surface mount LEDs, clock chip, and some buttons along the top. So what we want to do is replace these, or at least double them up, double their thickness. I don't know if that'll work or not. I don't know if it's any darker, to be honest, looking at it. I might have to think again. I don't think that's going to be dark enough to make any difference. Because you can't see through that, and you can see through that. So I think that'll be lighter, not darker. Yeah, we'll have to have a think. I've cut one stencil out of green paper. So we'll give that a try. Just put one. I won't put it all back together. We just want to see what the brightness looks like. Well, on the camera, you can't see any difference whatsoever. Because I haven't put the buttons back in. Let's 3. Oh, come on. Right, that's the dullest. Oh, that does look better. Significantly dull on the right.
Oh, that's better.
Right, Nanya's just given me approval, so I'll cut the other one out and we'll give it a try. Yeah, you can't really see I've done both sides now, but the camera is adjusting the light. I think we're on high light at the moment. Yeah, L3 is the brightest. And L0 is the dullest. I'll just cover the light from the window. Yeah, you see it flickers a bit when it's on the lowest setting. That's the next lowest, L1, a bit brighter and brightest. But it all looks white on the camera anyway. That is green. Well, you can see the green reflection of my hand. I tried green felt tip pen behind here and that really didn't work. So what I've done now is cut little squares. Originally I cut little circles, but that was unnecessary. I've cut little squares to cover the LEDs. So now we should be okay. All the same colour. As you can see, it's 9:05 at night. And well, we'll find out if Nanny thinks that's too bright. It's certainly a lot duller than it was last night. Up on the wall there, you might be able to make out that's the projected time from, well, you can't see, but that red light just there is the projector. I think there's a, should I press the button on top? Oh yeah, there we go. Out of focus, but that is projecting from the side of my bed over to the wall. And that's acceptable at that brightness. That may still be too bright. And then on the right you can see another little clock that's also quite bright. We'll see what Nanny thinks. That's certainly better than it was anyway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.